Hey there, welcome to Browser How. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search the text on web page using the Edge app on iPhone. So launch your Edge app and open any web page where you want to search. Say suppose this is the web page and I want to search for Chrome terminology in here. So what I can do is I can copy it or I can simply use the Chrome terminology. So what I can do is I can tap on these 3-bar options, and within that if I scroll a little bit here in the options menu, you would be able to see this find on page option, which will open this finder. Now you can search for Chrome here and it will display the matching results along with this arrows key, which will help in navigating within the matching results. So using this find in page or the find option, what you can do is you can search for any longer term or a phrase or a text which is very text heavy. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.